Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of how to fix Omnipod Dexcom issue detected. So, if you are facing this issue, worry not, you are not alone. Many users have encountering this frustrating issue. So, to fix that issue, you can follow these some simple on-screen instructions. So, the solution one is force reboot Omnipod. Press and release the power button and unlock the controller by swiping left to right or swiping up from the bottom. And enter your 4-digit PIN and tap OK. And ensure you press the power button for less than 1 second to avoid accidental shutdown. If prompted to power off, tap outside the message to cancel and prevent missing notification. Solution 2. Power Cycle Omnipod 5. Press and release the power button on the Omnipod controller and press the power button for less than 1 second to avoid accidental shutdown. If prompted with a power off message, tap outside to cancel and prevent unintended shutdown. Solution 3. Check transmitter ID. Access settings from the home screen of your Omnipod app and tap on the menu icon. And navigate to Manage Sensor and select Setting. And then go to the Manage Sensor to access the section where you can check the transmitter ID. After that, ensure that the transmitter ID displayed in the Omnipod app match the ID of your Dexcom G6 transmitter to confirm the correct pairing. Solution 4. Contact Omnipod support. So if you have tried all the above steps and still you are not able to fix your issue, so it's time to reach out the customer support of Omnipod. Here you can simply provide them the all the necessary information and the steps you have already taken to fast forward your request. After that, wait for some time and they will provide you some simple steps that can help you to resolve this issue. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Goodbye.